Hello everyone, I have a YouTube channel. I publish videos on higher engineering mathematics. I will show you that few of my videos came to top in Google searching or in SEO. What is SEO? You know well, the people who have a YouTube channel, they know about the SEO. So look here that this video published on August 26, 2020. Multivariate integration lecture 1, multivariate integration lecture 1 part 1, and another one multivariate integration lecture 1 part 2 published September 5, 2020, and then multivariate integration lecture 2 published on September 17, 2020. Now let us search multivariate, multivariate integration lecture 1. So look here, multivariate integration lecture 1 is at the front position. Here it is at the top. Okay, and here you see images for multivariate integration lecture 1. All these three are coming at front.